Banana? You want the banana? You want the banana?
Oh, he's interested in you, actually. Xander, hey. Do you want this? Oh, here, let me open it for you. Do you want banana?
Oh, yeah.
Banana.
Banana.
Oh, he's just going for it. Okay, all right. Oh.
Wow, he loves banana.
Here, let's split that open for you. There you go. Let's start with that, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll put this over here. You have that, okay? Enjoy.
Yes, banana. Yum, yum. He got...
Yep. Yeah, he's doing good.
Wow. Wow, he likes banana.
Mm-hmm.
Banana.
Yeah, banana.
Yes. You got lots of banana?
Let me look at the other ones.
Yeah.
No, you have some.
You got banana? You want more banana?
So you just slice it into little slices, eh?
Yeah.
Or cut it up.
What? You have banana there.
You want some more?